मलयज शीतलां शस्यश्यामलां मातरं वन्दे मातरम् शुभ्रजोत्स्ना पुलकितयामिनी शोभिनी सुभाषिनी शुभाधुरभाषिनी सुखदां वरेतां मातरं वन्दे मातरम्.
Good morning everyone. My name is Ayushi Morana. I am studying in class 2A. I am going to recite a Vishnu Shloka. Guru Brahma Guru Vishnu Guru Deva Maheshwara Guru Sakshat Param Brahma Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Thank you. Good morning to Honorable Principal Sir, all my respected teachers and my dear friends. Today, I, Amulya, from 2nd standard, welcome you all to our special assembly on Teachers' Day. Om Ajnanatimirandhasya Jnananjana Salakaya Chakshur Unmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. The guiding light in the world, in the beacon of knowledge, in the darkness of ignorance are our teachers. Today we celebrate Teachers' Day, a day earmarked to honor the gifted souls who strive tirelessly each day to guide us towards a brighter future. In the present extraordinary trying times, they have left no stone unturned to reach out to us, to guide us in the path of progress. So, on this beautiful occasion, let us take the opportunity to thank our teachers, to express our feelings for our dear teachers, who are the makers of mankind. Thank you. Good morning everyone. Stretch your right hand forward and repeat the page after me. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind. Good morning everyone. I am K. Gitesh from class 2A. Today's thought for the day is: you inspire me to succeed. You support me when I need guidance. You push me to further my knowledge. You have given me a strength and encouragement. Happy Teachers' Day.
वंशवीर सिंह है। मैं दूसरी कक्षा में पढ़ता हूँ। आज मैं आप सभी को एक कविता सुनाने जा रहा हूँ, जो कि मेरे अध्यापिका को समर्पित है। आप देते हो हमें शिक्षा, फिर लेते हो हमारी परीक्षा। इस सब में छिपा है आपका प्यार, और इस प्यार से करते हो हमारे जीवन का विस्तार। गलती करे तो हमें समझाते, हम रोए तो हमें हंसाते। माता ने दिया है जीवन दान, आप बनाते हो इसे महान। इसीलिए मैं कहता हूँ, जीवन में कुछ पाना है तो शिक्षक का सम्मान करो। शीश झुकाकर आदर से शिक्षक को प्रणाम करो। धन्यवाद। हैप्पी टीचर्स डे।
Good morning everyone. I am Diana of class 2A. I am going to sing a song for Teachers' Day. Day by day, you watch me how I grow. Step by step, with the knowledge that is so. Right from wrong, For you are the reason of what I am today. So happy, 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 happy Teachers Day. With love and care and smile and strength, you lead me in your way. So thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you on this day. For you are the reason of what I am today. Day by day, you watch me how I grow. Step by step, with knowledge that is so. Right from wrong, you guide me in your way. For you are the reason of what I am today. Every time I fall, you make me stand again. Inspire me to live the dream of life. Every time I fall, you make me stand again. Inspire me to live the dream of life. Like a candlelight, you make my life so grand. Every day, new heights. Success is somehow what you taught me how to be. Greater I may grow, still you will be with me. Day by day, you watch me how I grow. Step by step, with knowledge that you sow. Right from wrong, you guide me in your way. For you are the reason of what I am today. So happy, 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 happy Teachers Day. With love and care, my smile and strength, you lead me in your way. So thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you on this day. For you are the reason of what I am today. For you are the reason of what I am today. For you are the reason of what I am today. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Siddharth. I want to say few words about Teachers Day. Teachers Day is celebrated all across India every year on 5th of September to pay tribute to the teachers for their precious contributions to the society. There is a great reason behind celebration of the Teachers Day, 5th of September. In fact, 5th September is the birthday of our former president, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He was a great scholar and a statesman who was highly devoted towards education. Thank you.
Respected teachers and my dear friends, my name is Prakriti Priyadashini. I am from class 2A. Today I am here to present a speech on Teachers Day. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Teachers Day is celebrated on 5th September every year in India. It is the birth anniversary of Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. It is celebrated to commemorate his birthday. He was a great president, a great scholar and an excellent teacher. It is celebrated in all schools. Students give cards and gifts to their teacher. Teachers are like our parents, our friends and our guides. So friends, give a big thank you to all our teachers in this Teachers Day. Thank you ma'am for guiding us and helping us. And wish a very happy Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day ma'am. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Teacher and my friends, today is very important day. We are celebrating Teachers Day with a lot of joy and happiness. Today is birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who was a great scholar and a teacher. He was second president of our country. In this Teachers Day, we respect to our teacher who is loving us, inspiring us, and making us to learn joyfully. Happy Teachers Day. Thank you.
Teacher, you are special. Every day you greet your students with a smile on your face. It's the love for what you do. Rhymes, stories and numbers are fun to hear from you. To you each child is special. Hats off to you. Making difference in our life. Teacher, you are a gem. You are the best. Thank you. Happy Teachers Day to all.
सूरज निकला पसी गई तेल चिड़िया देखो गा रही है देर न कर जाना है स्कूल अलाउ माय स्कूल अलाउ माय स्कूल खेल कूदने प्लेग्राउंड चले. Oh, it's so cool. I love my school. I love my school, but I miss my school. Now I miss my school. Now I really miss my school, my friends, and good times in school. But I don't miss out my studies because of one person, that is teacher, who strives a lot to ensure that we don't miss out our studies. Now you wonder why I told striving. Let's go to Sandhya Ma'am's house to understand. Chalo.
Sandhya, what happened? Nowadays, I see you working so hard. You never did this before. What is the reason?
What should I tell? In classroom, I have chance to interact with the children. But in these online classes, there is only little bit of chance. And not only that, these offline classes, I should record only for less than 10 minutes or so. But my children should be able to understand the concept very clearly. So that's the reason I'm working so hard. Good morning, children. Welcome back to your maths class. Today in maths class, do you remember yesterday we learnt about shapes? We learnt about two shapes, square and rectangle. Now today we are going to learn about two more shapes. That is, first one is triangle. Triangle has three corners. 1, 2, 3. It has three corners. Triangle has how many sides? 1, 2, 3. It has three sides and three corners. Now tell me, children, what are sides? Sides means flat faces. See, this has one flat face, no? Better see, this one has flat face. That is called a side. See, this one triangle has three sides. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Next shape is circle. Circle. Beta, how many sides are there to circle? There are no sides. Okay, tell me, how many corners are there? There are no corners, no sides. And what should we tell it? Curve face. Circle has one curve face. Yes, my children, see, it has no corners, no sides, so it is called curved face. Now children, I hope you understood properly the triangle, circle, curved faces, corners. Tomorrow we are going to do an activity. What activity? Activity on shapes. Bye children, have a nice day, keep smiling always. Children, now making thread from cotton is called spinning. That process is called spinning. We will make thread now from cotton. That is called, the process is called spinning. Now, making cloth from thread is called weaving. What is called? Weaving. That process is called weaving. They will convert the thread into cloth using the device called loom. Now children, don't log off. The class is not ended. Okay, yesterday I taught you maths before and after. Now I am going to ask questions. Vihan, tell me what is the before number of 998? Correct. Amulya, what are you doing? Looking somewhere else? I will come and slap you. You should pay attention here. Children, you are good, no? So you should pay attention when you are studying, on studies only. Don't play with your pencils, erasers. Okay? Now, Prachi beta, tell me what is the before number of 99? Correct. Very good. House poem, do you remember? You should learn it today. I will ask the poem tomorrow. I will take one test. Everyone I will ask. Not only someone. Everyone should be prepared. And children, do today's homework. Some are doing and some are not doing. You should do. You are good children. Bye children. Keep smiling all day. Bye.
Hello everybody, my name is Hanshika. Today I am going to tell a poem for my teacher. Happy Teacher's Day, Happy Teacher's Day, Happy Teacher's Day to Sanya Madam. You are my best friend, you are my role model, you are my light of life, you are my gift from God. Happy Teacher's Day, Happy Teacher's Day, Happy Teacher's Day to Sanya Madam. I love you, Sanya Madam. I praise you, Sanya Madam. Thank you for everything. Happy Teacher's Day. Happy Teacher's Day. Happy Teacher's Day to Sanya Madam. Thank you.
Good morning to all respected principal sir, teachers and my dear friends. Wish you all a happy Teachers Day. Teachers Day is celebrated on 5th September. That day is the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He was a great president and an excellent teacher. This day is the best way for students to express love and respect to their teachers. Teachers are backbone of our society. We should always follow our teachers' advice. I love all my teachers. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Ayushi Morana. I am studying in class 2A. I am going to sing a song for all my teachers. We love you teacher, we praise you teacher, we thank you teacher for everything. सच्चे दिल से कहते हैं हम आपको नमन, आपको नमन. सच्चे दिल से कहते हैं हम आपको नमन, आपको नमन. We love you teacher, we praise you teacher, we thank you teacher for everything. इस जीवन में पढ़ना लिखना हमको सिखाए हैं. अनसुलझे सवालों को पल में सुलझाए हैं. डांटे या डराए हमको आंखों से, प्यार से लगता है उनकी हर बातों से. सच्चे दिल से करते हैं हम आपको नमन, आपको नमन. थैंक यू.
सुप्रभात. मेरा नाम अभ्युदय सिंह है. मैं कक्षा 2 में पढ़ता हूँ। मैं आपको शिक्षक दिवस के अवसर पर एक कविता सुनाने वाला हूँ। सही क्या है और गलत क्या है, ये सब हमें बताते हैं शिक्षक। झूठ क्या है और सच क्या है, ये सब हमें समझाते हैं शिक्षक। जब सूझता नहीं कुछ भी, राहों को सरल बनाते हैं शिक्षक। जीवन के हर अंधेरे में रोशनी दिखाते हैं शिक्षक। बंद हो जाते हैं जब सारे दरवाजे, नया रास्ता दिखाते हैं शिक्षक। सिर्फ किताबी ज्ञान ही नहीं, जीवन जीना सिखाते हैं शिक्षक। थैंक यू।
Today I tell about the part of a teacher. Eyes. After looking at all the wonderful work the student go do each day. A mouth for smiling at the children each morning. Feet for taking it to eating plate outside the school. A butterfly helper to a butterfly helper to thinking edge how to help. Yet look for all the stories we tell. A heart for loving edge. Hand for holding helping child. Book teaching so many of this, and they want to stay every one. Happy Teacher Day!
And my dear friends, wish you all happy and joyful Teachers' Day. We know that 5th September we celebrated as Teachers' Day in our country. In memory of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, we celebrate Teachers' Day to show our gratitude and respect for our teacher. So, the way you teach, the knowledge you share, the care you take, the love you shower, makes you the world's best teacher. Thank you, ma'am. And have a nice day.
Good morning, everyone. This is Priyag Mishra from class 2A. Today is the birthday of Dr. Radhakrishnan. He was a teacher. He believed that the teacher should be the best minds. His birthday is celebrated as Teacher's Day. On Teacher's Day, I want to thank all my teachers. Thank you for all your support, guidance and patience. Thank you for inspiring me to do my best. I am lucky to have such wonderful teachers. Thank you.
सुप्रभात, मेरा नाम साया मनी माछी है। मैं दूसरी कक्षा ए में पढ़ती हूँ। मेरी कविता का नाम है शिक्षक को कहलाते हैं। अंधेरे जीवन में हमारे नया सवेरा लाते हैं। उनकी ऊंची शान है, शिक्षक को कहलाते हैं। तरह तरह की शिक्षा देकर काबिल इंसान बनाते हैं। उनकी अलग पहचान है, शिक्षक को कहलाते हैं। सही गलत और झूठ सच का पाठ वो पढ़ाते हैं। उनका उत्तम स्थान है, शिक्षक को कहलाते हैं। आदर सच्चाई की राह पर चलने
touched me most is the love you have shown. You inspired me to put forward my best foot, to stand and comfort all of the life's test. They say a teacher affects till entirely, so I convey my heartfelt thanks to all teachers. I also extend my gratitude to our dear principal sir. Thank you all.
Good morning everyone, I am Vihan and I am going to play Jana Gana Mana on the piano.
विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जल गीतरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय दाता जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे